And welcome to another edition of Hiroyuki Terada, Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef. Yosan, how are you?
Hi, very good afternoon, everyone.
Very good
How you
afternoon to
doing?
you. Excellent, thank you so much. We got a really nice recipe today.
Yes, today we have another great recipe with a shrimp.
Okay,
So, ingredients here. So, we're gonna use this shrimp.
okay, this is a size 2630,
Yes.
and that represents how many shrimps?
Yeah,
a
we are
pound.
gonna use just for the 40 piece right now.
Okay,
Okay, so then here are the sauces.
okay.
First thing is this one, exogen.
XO, let's talk about
XO.
this. If you guys have never had it, it's actually dried scallops and dried shrimp in there. It's delicious. A lot of times chefs will use it to give a dish called XO, whatever, maybe in some steamed oysters or something.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's got deliciousness inside of it. Oh, you guys got to try this.
Yeah, this is so good. Actually, this one is ready to eat. So just put on the steamed rice.
Oh yeah,
Just good. It's
so
good.
so good.
Very good. So
Okay.
today I'm gonna use this sauce.
Okay,
And then rest of the ingredients, I have here's this is a vinegar, and here's a hoisin sauce, soy sauce, and sugar. This is a chicken stock. Now I'm gonna use the cornstarch, and here's the water.
okay,
And then for the shrimp, I'm gonna use the salt and pepper,
okay,
and then the scallion, and then eggs,
okay.
and then steamed rice. So what I'm gonna do today is first I'm gonna put in the steamed rice here.
Okay,
And then quick make the shrimp, scrambled eggs with the shrimp over the rice.
okay,
Then I'm gonna make this sauce. It's kind of sweet and sour, kind of sweet and sour sauce.
Okay.
Similar with the exogen
nice.
over the rice, eggs, and sweet and sour sauce
Okay.
on it.
Sounds great, Hiro. So
Yeah.
what is the first step?
First step, let's do just mix it up all the sauces
Okay,
into the bowl.
and this sauce is a little bit spicy. Some chili in the
Yeah.
XO sauce.
This is a 200 cc of the water here.
Okay,
And then chicken stock, and the soy sauce, and the vinegar, and hoisin sauce. And then sugar. Okay, then you can quick taste. It's
good.
This is already vein out and then tail out too.
Okay,
So I'm gonna do open, little bit more open. Cut a little more open. And then I'm gonna quickly a little bit salt and pepper. Like that.
okay,
And then keep this one here. And then next one is eggs. So let's mix it up. Okay, add the salt and pepper. And on the heat. And then I grab some rice. This shape is very important.
okay.
Okay. Okay, let's go. And the oil. Ready.
Okay,
First shrimp in. Okay, like that.
okay,
And then next step, eggs. And put a little bit scallion here.
very home style cooking, huh?
Yeah, very home style cooking. And then I'm gonna put the first shop there with the exogen right now. I put it.
And the fire's on low. What's the temperature?
Yeah,
of the fire?
it's a little bit lower.
Okay.
and then don't cook too much water down
Okay.
like that. Okay, over the rice first. Okay, that's good.
Wow.
Looks good. And then
I'll have it like that, Hiro. I'm fine with this.
quick pan clean up.
Okay.
And this pan is a good thing is look, it's everything coming off very easily,
Okay.
very nice. And then ready for next step. Put in sauces. Nice. And then wait until it start everything boiling.
Okay.
Okay, stir a little bit. And then I'm gonna add the second exogen in here also. Okay, that's good. And then next step, I'm gonna put the cornstarch.
And this thickens up the sauce.
Right. And just a little by little. Don't put too much in the one first. So you can adjust it to how thickness you want. Good. Very good.
Can't get too close because there's so much steam coming
Yeah,
out.
steam,
but
right?
looks great.
Okay. You can tasting a little bit, quick tasting a little bit. That's good. Okay, fire off. And this one put on the over the thing.
Oh wow, look at that.
Okay, that's good. And fresh scallion. Okay, that's it.
Wow.
There you go. Okay, this is the final product, like this.
Looks so good, Hiro. I can't wait to try this one for sure. Can you guys see this? Oh, I can't wait to try the XO. I know that's going to be the determining factor how delicious this is. Hiro, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
You guys can try this at home. Find some XO sauce. If you guys like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. We will see you very, very soon. Thank you again.
See you soon.
Bye-bye. Go here, the tasting
Yes,
part.
tasting parts.
This is unbelievably looking. Okay, enjoy.
Sure, let's go. Grab here a rice, right? And
The
then
best part is that's freshly
egg.
steamed white rice.
and then everything here, right? And I'll go this one shot. Exosion really good. It's not too sour anyway. I put that vinegar, but
Uh-huh. It looks like it's got some sweetness going on. You have some spiciness, and you have a little sour because of the vinegar. All right, let me try. Try this. Wow. Okay.
maybe we can put a more exosion to make it more flavor. If you people like a more strong flavor. But
Tastes like a
for me,
Chinese dish
actually,
here.
this is okay, you know.
No, it's excellent. Oh my god, I love the fresh egg. And it's not well done. It's not runny either. It's like perfect texture. You get the XO sauce with a little of that oyster sauce. The shrimp is so succulent. It's really, really tender. And again, the XO is just enough just to give it a hint of that It's like Chinese, a really nice Chinese dish.
Yeah. Is it called what they call it, the egg fuyang? The egg over the rice.
Egg fuyang is more like fried.
Yeah, fried egg on over the rice or something, right?
Yeah, it's just fried. Has a lot of vegetables. They put egg, and they make like an omelet.
I don't know exactly how I should call this dish, you know. So last time we made the actually tenshinhan. It's kind of over soup over the rice, kind of
Yeah.
with a crab, I guess.
Oh my
So
goodness. This is so
very
good.
similar idea, but
So good.
little spiciness coming from the exhaustion, right?
And just a hint of spice. Hiro, this is delicious. Oh, with the rice.
I know, you know, cameraman love rice.
I love rice.
Something over the
My
rice.
weakness,
That's your
yeah.
favorite, right?
That's so good, especially the rice you make. Thank you again, Hiro.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
See you
See
soon.
you next time.